We go to town today because, okay, we need a little bit gas and some groceries.
Yes, we were prepared for the rain. So
no rain.
Rain here, and you see the weather here. It rains and then suddenly it stops and then it hails and then so the weather change here very often and unexpected.
Yeah.
So that's the best part. Thanks, Leon, that you make that. So we arrived at the van and drive to town now. We stayed dry, really nice. And that's Kira's favorite place.
Yes.
Sorry for the mess there behind. We are not using the van very often, but I'm very looking forward to our trip, which we will make in the next time or in the next month when the weather is better.
The next month or the next weeks or?
Really, the next week?
Forward,
Yeah, okay, nice. Because then we can use the van and make a little, I don't know, like 1 week in the camper van and explore the island a little bit with Kira, that she get used to the van, because for the future it's very important that she get used to it. Whoa.
Yeah, she looks really calm.
We bought big packages of basic foodstuffs such as flour, oats and nuts. As you can see, the boat was very full. And yeah, especially in winter when we cannot benefit from our garden, we want to prepare homemade pastries and get prawns and fish from the ocean. Because we don't want to forgo the luxury of purchasing electricity, we have to take care of it ourselves. In the winter months, the sun is not high enough to reach the power wall. That's why we installed 2 solar panels in the sunniest spot. But it's only a temporary solution till we can use the power wall again. This is our finished construction, so for now we have 2 permanent batteries in this container here, and if that's not enough, we can orient some flexible solar panels to the position of the sun and connect other batteries. Tun wir es dann im Bollerwagen, oder?
Ja, dann brauchen wir sie nicht hochtragen.
Okay.
Kira, komm mit.
Komm mal, sieh ab. Kannst du mir helfen? Danke. Dankeschön.
Auf.
Okay.
Super, wir schnell.
Yeah, actually it's the first time for us using the hot tub. And I'm really looking forward. So I can't remember when the last time was that we have a hot bath. Or Leon. Okay, the last one. Now the mini stove is full. And what are we doing while the hot tub is getting hot?
Today is baking day, so we want to do some brezen. You have some sourdough and what else? Some cookies?
Yeah, some cookies and some treats for Kira.
And we can do broadside
Yay!
in the evening.
Okay, then let's go and start.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, then we try to let it burn for 1.5 hours and then let it cool down for half an hour and then it should be a nice temperature.
Can we check it?
No. So we have these infrared, but the batteries are empty, so we have to make it with our feeling. The last time it was close that I burned my sourdough bread, but it was not too late. And today we have to check it very often and then I think it should be fine. Yeah. Okay, so now it's my turn. Yesterday I prepared my sourdough and it rested overnight outside. And now is the best part, scoring!
Die Dame.
Thank you. Temperature check. Oh, a little bit too hot maybe. Hi Mousy!
Hi, Mousy.
Are you awake? Oh. Guys, you can trust me, she's the cutest when she's just awake from her sleep.
Yeah?
She's like a little baby. Mwah.
Also when you come from a little stroll outside.
No,
inside.
then she's a piranha, so the fish, and she bites me in my legs. But she have two sides, so.
One hour is over and we can now check our dough.
Wow, that looks great. I think it has doubled. And how is it?
Oh, nice.
Oh yeah. Oh, perfect. Enjoy.
Yeah.
That's so good. think Kira needs a little break. Yeah, we had a comment on our last video, and a person asked us if we are aware of the wildlife here. And yes, we are. That's why we have every time some bear spray and other stuff to defend ourselves. Oops. And that's also the reason why Kira is most of the time on a leash. But we are still a little bit afraid because we heard some stories about accidents with cougars and dogs. Till now we just saw one black bear, but far away. And the cougars, you never see them here. So everyone say they are here, a lot of cougars, but they hide and it's very, very rarely that you can see them. But maybe that's better. Oh, I think it was enough for Kira today.
Yeah, she's tired. It was a long walk.
Yeah.
That one will go on. Nein, aus. Aus. Fein, komm mit. Auf. Auf. You have to wait. The leash training is important. Ja, fein, super.
So another week is over. It's crazy how the time flies here. So the daily task like pumping the water to do laundry or splitting the wood to have a nice warm yurt, it takes so much time. We didn't continue with our project, so with our compost. But I think next week should be no or not much rain, and then we can go on. Yeah, I'm very looking forward to maybe finish the project. Depends how much time we have. But yeah, that was our week.